Hello there, it's Abhinav Niraula. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, unexpectedly, South Africa pulled off a super comprehensive win against Pakistan a couple of days ago by playing their B-side. So it's time for me to preview the third T20I of this 4-match series that is currently standing at 1-all. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 14th of April 2021, the Super Sport Park Centurion is going to host this encounter. Well, let me tell you that the statistics of Pakistan and other Asian countries are quite good out there. Do expect the playing surface to behave as usual. That means the pitch isn't expected to have a lot of artificial touch-ups. A bit of moisture is expected to be present in and on that flat surface. Do expect the ball to bounce and carry adequately after hitting the surface. As usual, the batsmen shall get value for their shots out there. Both sides look interested in opting to field first due to the conditions and modern T20 principles. So, do expect the toss-winning side to opt to field first. South Africa: Aiden Markram, Janneman Malan, Rassie van der Dussen, Henrik Klaasen captain and wicket-keeper, Piet van Biljon, George Linda, Andile Feklucwayo, Sisanda Magala, Buren Hendricks, Lizard Williams and Tabraiz Shamsi. Even after a massive loss in the first match, the South African team management opted to go with the same 11, hence do expect the winning combination to remain quite stagnant. Only the returning Dussen is expected to replace Lube, who looked quite off colour in the opening matches. The whole bowling unit was very well expressed by their skipper and the unit bowled brilliantly last time around. Pakistan looked quite relaxed in the last match and hence South Africa notched them up quite brilliantly. South Africa will need to up the game a bit more this time around as Pakistan are expected to come hard at them. Pakistan: Fakhar Zaman, Mohammad Rizwan wicket-keeper, Babar Azam captain, Mohammad Hafiz, Asif Ali, Fahim Ashraf, Mohammad Nawaz, Hassan Ali, Usman Qadir, Shaheen Shah Afridi and Mohammad Hasnain. Fakhar Zaman is expected to return into the side by unfortunately replacing Shardul Khan. In my view, Fakhar Zaman's extraordinary form should be utilized at number 4 and that fierce form and talent of all 4 top order batsmen Zaman, Rizwan, Shardul and Babar should be optimally used, but it seems like that isn't going to happen. Asif Ali is expected to make his T20I comeback at number 5. The bowling unit looked quite off colour last time around. Time for the whole lineup to elevate their standards. Can't opt to go easy. Babar is also expected to return back to his real arc this time around. Another loss is what Pakistan can't afford at the moment, and another win is what South Africa need desperately at the moment. On such do-or-die situations, the team with better experience tends to look composed and pull off a deserving victory, so I still am opting Pakistan for another victory. Take care.